Hey, it's Stephanie from Styling Frugal, and I wanted to share with you two really good products I found this week that are really affordable and really good. So the first one is going to be the Maybelline Super Stay lipstick. So this lipstick, they say lasts all day long, like 12 hours wear. I have tried it this week and I have really liked it. I'm not wearing anything right now on my lips. It has a wand like that. And then you just go over your lips like this. I really like a neutral lip color most of the time. Sometimes I like, if you're going out, like a red or something. But you just apply over the lips. And then you're good to go for 12 hours. I like this color because it's really neutral. You can also use colors or some lip gloss over it once it dries. It takes about 5 minutes to dry, but then it stays on. And I'm notorious. I'm constantly reapplying my lipstick because it comes off so fast. But this has really, really helped me. And it's a drugstore brand, Maybelline, and they have a bunch of different colors. So if you do want more of a bold lip, check out the link. And then my second find, I've just started doing these videos for Styling Frugal. And once I get off and I look at them, I realize I have all these flyaways up here. And I always have flyaways. It's been a problem that I've had for a really long time, and I'll use hairspray or pomade and I just can't seem to get them down. So I did some research, and this wand, it looks like mascara, but it's not. It's actually clear. So I'll take it out and show you. It's just a wand. But what's great about it is you can go right along, I don't have a mirror, but you can go like right along your hairline, and you can take down different strays that you have. And you might have to use your hand and just kind of help it along the way, but this has helped me so much, because I would get off after recording the video and I'd be like, oh my gosh, I have like thousands of flyaways going everywhere. So this is my other favorite beauty find off of Amazon, another great deal, and I will post the links below.